Trailblazer is powered by volunteers. Spend the day or half a day showing kids how to safely use the exhibits on board. Volunteers serve as docents for one of 5 content areas on board: aerodynamics, energy, weather, space, and biotechnology. No need to be an expert, or even kind of an expert. Anyone who has completed the 8th grade and can get excited about cool exhibits is qualified. We provide helpful scripts and signs that lead the way. You can watch training videos if you like, and all volunteers attend a hands-on orientation with a Trailblazer facilitator before their shift starts. Contact your local coordinator and sign up today.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.